We're opening our Yeti. See if it matches our side-by-side today. I don't know. What do you think?
Perfect match.
Move the box. Let's see how she...
Was that a Yeti 110?
Yeah. The Yeti 35. The only thing we could get to fit in the back of the side-by-side. We'll see how she does today.
Why's it got to be a she?
Because she's going on my side-by-side.
Oh, burn! You hear that, Zeke? Say, oh, burn!
Got a little basket. Cute. I packed us some sandwiches and some Pringles and some of our favorite drinks today.
That thing glows. Yeti.
Yeti. We're a Yeti family. Zeke, go get our cups that we have for the side-by-side.
Yeti.
The Yeti cup? Yep.
Brand new color, 2020. Match the 2020 Polaris high lifter.
We held out on color for a while on buying one, and sure enough, first day came out, I had that baby on order. See how she does today. Some of our favorites are Monsters.
Monster.
Our Trulies. Our Gators.
Truly, tell who's drinking. I don't want to tell you what time in the morning it is. Oh, here comes the Z-Man.
Man's first big ride today. What do you think, Zeke? Do you think this matches side by side? Yeah. Does that match our cups? Almost. It does match.
It's like the cooler's like gloss.
Yeah.
And the cup is like more of a flat.
One cup? I like this little basket.
What are you gonna put in the basket?
Probably, like, I have our hand sanitizers and stuff.
Yeah, we gotta keep them cold. We gotta keep the hand sanitizer. During coronavirus, we gotta keep the hand sanitizer cool. It's more effective when it's cool.
But it's easy to get to compared to everything else. It's just like that. Maybe our sandwiches I'll put in there.
You know what we should have did? We probably should have got rid of the stove in the background. Tell us a little bit about what you got here, Zeke.
These are the same color.
Next problem we're gonna have, tying this thing down. Because we get air today.
They're tying good.
We hitting jumps.
I'm gonna leave the basket out today.
Oh. We need to get some silver bowls in there so we can sing. What's the size of this one though? Yeti 110 ice down with silver bullets.
Probably take our tags off. Think anything?
Yeah, kid, take the tags off. Huh?
Alright, so we are ready with our
Oh snap.
Yeti family here.
Oh snap. Yeti, hit us up.
We're gonna ride today. We'll see how she does.
Yeah, she. What's her name?
Oh yeah. We'll see how she holds up first.
Guys, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button, so whenever we post a new video, you get a notification, and hit the bell. I already said that. Hit